Hello guys, this is Altaf and today I will teach you color in HTML. How to color your text, how to color your background, etc. So let's get started. This is types of color in HTML. This is color name, black, white, red, lime, etc. This is color name in hex code, and this is decimal code. This is also color name, this is also color name, but it's coded. This is coded by hex code, this is by decimal code. So let's see how it works. So come to code and see here, this is heading. Okay, h1 denotes the heading 1. Heading 1, a style, color, and then write your color name is some tomato. Okay, and then heading, this heading I wanna color, which color is tomato color. So let's save this code. Its name is color dot html. Let's save it and see what happened. This is my file. Yeah, see, this heading 1 hello world is coded in tomato color. Let's see another example. See, this is I coded like tomato heading 1, and then heading 2 is red color, and heading 2, sorry, it's again I have written yellow, blue, and then this is coded in hex. Okay, is RBC. This is decimal code. In decimal 00 2 to 5 is a red. Okay, and 255 255 and 0 is yellow color. You can change this number like here 2 1 and whatever you want you can put here. And this is hex code. Hex code should be start by hash, and you can here coded ABCD and 00 up to F. And here one thing more, here you can change your background color. So what you have to do for that is just, this is heading 8, a style and background. Okay, background color RBC, and I have written is yellow color. Okay, so this is different color, but let's see what happened. So just I will save it and go to your page here, and you just refresh it and then see, this is what we have coded. Thank you so much guys for watching this.